Here we've got Microsoft Surface Duo, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, you need to open your Play Store, then tap on your account's icon and click on Manage Apps and Device. Here tap on Updates Available, and here you've got all applications that can be updated. And you can either update all apps at once by tapping on Update All, or you can update one particular application by using this update icon right next to App icon. So just tap on Update All to update all apps. And it will be done. So meanwhile, we can use your device in a normal way because it will be done in the background. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.